Once upon a time, in a little cottage, a kind old woman was baking gingerbread for Christmas. She carefully mixed the dough, rolled it out, and shaped it into a little gingerbread man. She gave him raisins for eyes, a smile made of icing, and little buttons down his belly. When she put the gingerbread man in the oven, something magical happened. He jumped right out and ran across the kitchen, shouting, "Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." The old woman tried to catch him, but he was too fast. Out the door he ran, and down the road. On his way, the gingerbread man met a cow. The cow said, "Moo, stop, gingerbread man. I want to eat you." But the gingerbread man just laughed and said, "Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." And off he ran, leaving the cow behind. Next, he met a horse. The horse said, "Nay, stop, gingerbread man. I want to eat you." But the gingerbread man laughed again and said, "Run, run, as fast as you can. You can't catch me. I'm the gingerbread man." And off he went, faster than ever. Finally, he came to a river. He wanted to cross, but he didn't know how to swim. Just then, a sly fox came along. The fox said, "Hop on my tail, gingerbread man, and I'll help you cross." So, the gingerbread man climbed onto the fox's tail, and the fox began to swim. As they went, the fox said, "Oh, my tail is getting wet. Climb onto my back so you don't get wet too." The gingerbread man did as he was told. Then the fox said, "Oh dear, my back is getting wet. Hop onto my nose so you stay dry." The gingerbread man climbed to the fox's nose, and snap! The fox gobbled him up in one quick bite, and that was the end of the gingerbread man. But don't worry. The kind old woman baked more gingerbread men for Christmas, and they all stayed safe inside, nice and warm, ready to be enjoyed with milk and cookies. The end.